In this video, how to fix Ctrl V stopped working on Windows. First, open Windows Settings. Go to Time and Language and select Language and Region. Click on your current language and edit the language options. Scroll down and add an additional keyboard. After adding the keyboard, Ctrl V should start working again. If it doesn't, try changing the default input method to the newly added keyboard, then switch back to your preferred one. Once done, you can remove the additional input keyboard. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.